ngo okay murakaza neza no kuri YouTube channel yanjye Era official kubizina mu wanjye Iradukunda Jiva. Uyu munsi rero ngiye kubereka UCI champion igiye kunyura kuri YouTube channel yanjye Era official ko nabibasezeranye. Wowe rero icyo ngusaba nta kindi ntucikwe cyangwa se ngo ukure video utayirangije, ngiye kwibashyira ngaha muri kuno byari bimeze nyine muri kuno abantu abana batoya bamugana b'imyaka 12, 13, 18 kugeza aho ngaho batwaye nyine amagare. Byari ibintu byiza cyane rero. Wowe cyo ngusaba rero ibuka gukora subscribe kandi iyi video irebe irangize. Ciao ciao.
Relentless over this last lap. About 104 kilometers have been completed. Once they cross the line, ladies and gentlemen, make your way here to the line. Will we have an attack? Everybody looking at each other. Also Delva and the second group is coming back. They are going to come over the line all together here for the last chance to become U23 Women's World Champion. Right, it's going to be last 300 meters, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to witness the first attacks and the finish. And it will be the last lap to go. Kigali! Muritagu ya Kigali! Ni lapu ya nyuma, ni lapu ya nyuma. Nukuzenguruka bwa nyuma. Ndabaza ikibazo kimwe munsubizanye morale. Kigali Muritagu ya! And let's get a big round of applause also, Brian, for the group chasing behind. They may have some trouble to catch up, but they have done enormous amounts of work here. Last lap, Deliento, Esteronde. Abadage babiri harimo Umutaliyani umwe, Abanyesipanyoli nabo umwe, harimo Abafaransa babiri, harimo kandi Umunyakanada umwe, Slovakia umwe, Estonia umwe, Umunyacek ndetse Umunya-Australia umwe. Cyane igikundi rero umwanya twirebera basigaje metero 13 byonyine na metero 600, ubundi tukareba n'indi rugamba ari ku mudari wa munani wa Kigali. Kuko ibyo wamenye rero hamaze kuboneka imidari 3 mu bagore, imidari 3 mu bagabo ndetse n'umudari umwe. Equipe yabaye equipe nziza rero. Right now everybody is looking at that maple leaf because they know that she has been, despite being alone, Brian, she's been doing the work. So Bella, as she's called by friends and family, is quite intense. But here we have the chase group on screen. I don't have the split time here, so we'll see if they give it to us via television. That is also a group that may be taking the move here. Just as that group came back, a bit like Mo did on the previous lap, she attacks Slingshot. We're letting kind of the underdogs in, and I don't mean any bad feelings in that, but the underdogs like Shiva, Reese, they were not the women we expected to be at the front today, and they're doing the work. And here come the Swiss again, Huber and Hutta. We were expecting to see the French, maybe the women's category road race. Looking super strong today is Paula Blasi, the Spaniard. She is accelerated here on the climb, answering, holding strong still is Celia Giry. Also there is Victoria Hovlanova. So Hovlanova comes Brunel also in this mix. One of the, I think the right coming to the bell lap here in Kigali. Here comes Malwina Mul. Malwina Mulero, Wataka Igatoyero, Aika Kawachiri Kumina, Howero,
Dore nawe iki? Iki?
Arimo ararya umuneke.
Oh, dropping now is Justina Charla aus Deutschland. She still has a teammate up there in Linda Riedmann, the Deutsche Meisterin, the German national champion, still in that group. Oh, what? Here comes right on the wheel. It is Marion Bunel. Bunel has been the quietest of all three.
Is once again that is to be confirmed. We're looking at this from a distance perspective from the helicopter. We're on lap 5 of 854.6 kilometers still to go for the U23 women's road race. And looking at Lucia Ruiz Perez in her team area. The Ruiz Perez sisters off the back, and this time Lucia. And
Sabo amashikane kuri iki gikundi cy'abakinnyi batatu rero nabo banyizeho. Iyi ni 2025 UCI Road World Championship. Wow. There are starting to be shifts in the field. So the Luxembourg rider Marie Schreiber is putting the pressure on, following one of the Brits, a German, a Slovakian, the Canadian. They're going to come back behind, but it's single file. The pressure is on by Marie Schreiber of Luxembourg. And that was actually the slowest lap. I'm quite surprised because there is a lot of action attacking. So that means when they do, they are slowing down. So there is the race situation as they start to spin flat.
Might be over.
Dropped it, and so is Frank.